How to fix Instagram message primary and general options not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your message inbox categories back. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your DMs. From there, check if the primary and general tabs are visible at the top of your inbox. At this point, if they're not showing up, try force stopping the app first. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Instagram and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Then reopen Instagram and check if the primary and general tabs are back. From here, if they're still not showing up, open the Play Store. Search for Instagram. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Instagram and check your inbox again. Here's an important note. The primary and general inbox feature is not available in all regions and may not show up for all accounts. Instagram rolls out features gradually, so it may just not be available on your account yet. Finally, if the issue is still unresolved, report a problem and describe what's missing so Instagram can look into it directly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Instagram primary and general options, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.